What's going on? Happy Hat Drop Wednesday. I actually just got back from a long day of school and lacrosse practice. So I'm back at the home base ready to start packing up some orders from the very successful hat drop from this morning. If you're new to the channel, every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Premium 32 does a Hat Drop Wednesday, which is around 12 to 20 brand new vintage hats or nicely restored vintage hats that are exclusively for Instagram followers. And then usually they'll hit the website, premium32.com, after that. But it's kind of a really cool thing that we started up to give people first dibs on some really cool new stuff. So I just got back and I'm going to be packing those up very shortly. But right when I came home, there was some mail on the front step, so I wanted to make sure I got to that. So first things first, we have an envelope, which is usually not a good sign. That usually means there's a pancaked hat or a hat that's really squished, but usually not an issue because I've got my trusty hat mold right here and the big old steamer right behind me to bring a lot of hats back to life. But this one I'm actually really excited about, even though it is super flat and needs a good shape up. But this one's a 1996 NCAA hockey championship hat. It's got the little stick and puck right there on the side. It kind of looks weird right there, but now you can see it. Good colors on this. Kind of an everydayer. No tags on the inside besides this NCAA action hat or tag right here. So that's pretty cool. I was recently running out of stickers, so I hit up Sticker Mule. That is where I get all of my stickers. That's not a promotion. I'm not sponsored by them. Just my go-to spot for stickers. I haven't used any other service, but when I was doing some research, they were the best of the best that I found. Since I ran out of stickers, I decided to do a little bit of an update on the logo from just the Premium 32 VTG, or no, just the Premium 32, just like the rug behind me, to this right here. The ring light's kind of giving it some weird glow, but I added the cursive vintage at the bottom. There we go. So let me know what you think of that below. I kind of like that cursive at the bottom. So I got those, and then I added in, we're having a promotion, so I added in a little order of magnets. So just the OG logo. So here's a little bit of a reference. So here's the original stickers that I had, and then here's the new ones. So I'm pretty excited about these new ones, but also these magnets as well are pretty sick. So something cool about Sticker Mule is they always add in the barcode for the sample stickers that they do. And then here's a little Easter version of their logo. And then usually if you spend over $100, they'll send you a bottle of their own mule sauce or their version of hot sauce. But since I didn't quite hit that, I sent these little hot sauce packets, which is kind of funny. I have a bottle of this hot sauce because of my last order. Not sure if it's expired or I should even try it, but I'm definitely going to give these a whirl to see if this sticker hot sauce is worth it. Last but not least, there's a box right here. Pretty decent size, but I don't think it's anything more than just one hat, so definitely more preferred than an envelope, but a little unnecessary. But right here, another NCAA hat. This one is a track and field championship with the hurdle jumping and pole vaulting right there. This one's brand new condition. It looks like a #1 apparel hat, which always have really big snaps so they can adjust for a bigger or smaller head. #1 apparel tag on the inside. Excited for this one. This one's definitely, both of these actually are going to end up in the hat drop next week. So again, if you're not familiar with the page, make sure to give a follow on Instagram at Premium32VTG so you don't miss any of these hat drops. Like I said, the hats go really quick on them. So if you like these hats, make sure to turn on your post notifications on Instagram so you don't miss out on Wednesday at 10 a.m. because these will be in there. So that wraps up today's video, but before I go, I wanted to start a new little segment to get to know you better and get to know some of the other subscribers better and kind of build a community around this page. So today's question of the day is, what is your favorite vintage sports logo of all time? This can be any sport, any decade, whether it's existing or not existing anymore. My personal favorite, I don't know if this counts anymore, is the old Arizona Coyotes logo. Fortunately, I said I don't know if it counts because they did bring it back and it is their current logo, but I absolutely love the kind of Aztec design on it. So let me know below what your favorite vintage logo or any sports logo is, and I'd love to hear what it is. So make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I've got a new playlist of all the unboxing videos right here, and then some other videos on hat restoration right here, and then always make sure to subscribe and follow on Instagram.